Hello everyone, this is my final presentation for the course. Thank you firstly to the administrators and the people teaching this course for being patient with me. A couple of COVID-19 related issues had pushed back my ability to meet the deadline, so I'm appreciative of the patience for allowing me to hand this in slightly late. So this is a course, it's Crime and Migration, it's SOCH 381W10. It's a writing intensive course that I've been teaching at Queen's College and at John Jay College for the last 2 years. I've taught it once online before over the course of a semester and not for an intensive summer session. So it required quite a lot of editing, which is what I've been doing over the last couple of weeks. And a couple of the things that the instructors have brought up were very useful in terms of making the course more pretty, more attractive, but also making the course more amenable to the needs and requirements of students. So I'll just click quickly on the syllabus here. So as I say, it's Senior Seminar Crime and Migration at Queen's College. First thing that I changed this semester is traditionally I've never really had office hours. I've just had really people calling in, not calling in, emailing in to voice their concerns, questions, or queries. But instead, this semester, I'm teaching this over the summer 2 session. I'll be having office hours, which will be conducted on a synchronous basis. From that should say 4 to 5 o'clock on Mondays. And what I've done in the sessions is I have actually, when we go down to course tools, we Collaborate Ultra, I've actually done the sessions. So there's 6 weeks. Each session has a pre-arranged Blackboard Collaborate Ultra session for students to sign into. And I have let students know that this will be my office hours on the syllabus. For the most part, you can expect me to respond within 24 hours. I will be online to talk directly with you by way of Blackboard Collaborate Ultra on Mondays from 4 to 5, which are my office hours. These sessions have been pre-organized. These are not mandatory sessions. As I say, I'd like to take the burden off students to have to be there on the synchronous basis, but are available for those who have questions. So that's really how I'm going to base the office hours for the course. Now, as I say, it's a 6-week session over the summer 2 period. One thing that I've found very difficult with students in the past with Blackboard is getting them to know exactly when to hand in materials. And this is a very discussion-based course. So I'll just go to, and that's one of the requirements. When you look at the course requirements, so I've got an online etiquette and anti-harassment policies here, which was recommended by Queen's College, and I've edited it a little bit as well. So the coursework is really based on three main deliverables. The first is the discussion forum. Now, the discussion forum, I've based it around maximizing student engagement with students. So each discussion submission is worth 2 points. You get 1 point for a submission and another point for a response to a fellow student's submission. And these can be found in the discussion board area. The introductions will not be marked, and then there's each session. So there's about 12 sessions, and each session is in 1 week. So there's 6 weeks, 2 sessions a week. And students are tasked with submitting 2 of their own responses to the lecture and the reading, and a response to a student's response. And that's how they get full marks in the discussion board. Also, when it comes to the weekly schedule, I have TEDx videos as well, TED-Ed videos as well that I'll be including. in the sessions too. Oh, that one doesn't have that one. That one needs to be edited. But where is it? Depth of the border. Sorry, I'm doing the TED Ed videos at the moment. So I've also got tasks here. I'm adding TED Ed videos at the moment. That's the last thing that I need to do. But I just thought I'd get this into you as soon as possible. We then have the assignments and the quizzes. The final paper is here. And I also have paper rubrics, which I'll be adding to that at a later date as well. And yeah, that's pretty much how the course is going to develop. I've also added like a my tasks section along here. Oh, and the lectures, how I've loaded up the lectures. So when we go to the weekly schedule, we go to week 2, for example, session 5. The lectures go to a Prezi. Now the Prezi has pre-recorded audio on each slide, which the students will hear. It can't play now because this screencast software won't allow me to do that. But the students essentially go through the Prezi, and there are some videos for them to watch as well. On the Prezi, these are my lecture notes, lecture slides, and the discussions will be based around these lectures as well. This will just contain my background information on the topic and some added information. I found the online teaching course very, very interesting, very helpful, particularly when it came to how to expand online pedagogical approaches. What would really benefit me in the future is to know how to develop that further theoretically. I think skill sets wise and technical skill sets, I think I'm there. I'm okay with that. But I think pedagogically, I'd like more discussion on how to broaden accessibility and engagement by students, particularly those who might not have access to good hardware, good computers or tablets or whatever, and also those who don't maybe have access to consistent internet provisions. Anyway, once again, thank you very much for all your help with this course, and I'll be in touch if I have any more questions. Thank you.